State true or false. If the lengths of two sides of a triangle are 4 centimeter and 10 centimeter, then the length of the third side will lie between 6 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Is it true? If you check the chapter 6th, that is properties of triangles, then you will know that there is one property of triangle which says that length of any side of a triangle is less than the sum of the remaining two sides. That is property number 1. And length of any side of a triangle is greater than the difference of the remaining two sides. So the third side should be less than 10 plus 4, that is 14, and it should be greater than 10 minus 4, that is 6. So is it so? What is given? It will lie between 6 and 14. That's why it is true. Next, it is possible to construct a unique triangle if all the angles of a triangle are given. So that is false, definitely. See this. The angles of all these triangles are 60 degrees. All are equilateral. But are they unique? Unique means what? It means it should look the same. Means wherever you go, are they looking the same? This is smaller one, this is bigger, this is bigger. It means what? Only angles don't determine the length of the sides. There can be a triangle with bigger length of the sides and same angles. So there can't be a unique angle, unique triangle based only on the angles. Next, an angle of 9 3 upon 4 degrees means 9 is integer and 3 upon 4 is a fraction. This is a mixed fraction. 9 3 upon 4 degrees cannot be constructed using a compass and a ruler. See, this is known as a compass, which we use in geometry box. Here, there is no angle in the world which cannot be drawn by using the compass and a ruler.